G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm off to Domino's to try their brand new chips. Apparently they stay crunchier for longer and they've got a special pizza salt. So anyway, let's whip inside, grab some, suss them out and see what they're like. Let's go get some! Alright, well here we go, the new chips from Domino's. $5 this cost. I think the box would probably cost more to make than the chips. But, well, it's going to be a bit hard to weigh it because I'm sure this box has got some weight. But I've got the scales. Let's guesstimate how much it weighs. Now, a normal pizza box is like 120 something grams. So that's about 303 grams. I'm guessing that's about 100 grams. So that's about 200 grams worth of chips. That's just a guesstimate. Anyway, let's suss them out, see what they look like. Oh, I can't wait to see these. All right, here it goes. Da, 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 da. Whoa, have a look at those. All crinkly cut. They all look pretty good and, well, that chip there is not exactly all crisp. Well, neither are these. Well, neither are those. Maybe they... Oh, hang on. Oh, that was half crisp. But anyway, they look all right and they look fairly decently seasoned as well. All right, well, let's just get straight into it. See what they taste like. Well, very soggy for starters. Almost mushy. Bit cold. And the seasoning, well, I'm not getting a lot of the seasoning on it, so it's a little bit hard to taste what their pizza salt is actually like. There is some seasoning. I don't know what the actual flavour of the salt is. It doesn't really taste like a pizza though. But they are sort of growing on me. After having a root canal, and well, nowadays I can't really eat foods that are too hard. This is great if you've got no teeth and have to eat through a straw. I think these would be great for that. There's little bits of crunch on the end of them, but I mean, they're not bad tasting. I wonder what they'd be like hot and crunchy. You can see there what they look like. The ridges in them are quite deep and they're very unusual looking chips, that's for sure. You can just sort of make out the seasoning on them there, and well, they probably could have done with maybe 5 times more seasoning. Then I probably could have tasted it a whole lot better. But as they stand, well, I don't actually mind them. Yeah, they're soggy. They're not crispy. They're not really seasoned that well. And they're cold. But besides that, considering that's all the negative things you could probably say about a chip, they're still tasting all right. So yeah, it would have been nice to get some nice hot, fresh, crispy ones, see what they're like. But, well, this is the way they came. I'm at the shop right there, and this is the way they came out, so what else can I do? Other than give it a score out of 10. Well, value-wise, $5. Well, I don't think the value of these is too bad. Try and find me a $5 bag of chips, and I'm pretty sure it'll be, probably worse than that. Flavour-wise, well, I guess they wouldn't be too bad if they were hot, fresh, crispy, warm, and well-seasoned. But, well, these ones weren't. They were the exact opposite of that. But still, they tasted all right. I didn't mind them. I'd love to try some hot, fresh ones one day, but besides that, I thought they were all right. They tasted pretty good. and the seasoning, well, what there was of it, which wasn't enough, was adequate, and well, they just tasted okay. They weren't awesome, but they weren't too bad. So for my score out of 10, I think these deserve a... I'll give them a 6 out of 10. I mean, the flavour wasn't too bad, and, well, they were soggy. You could probably, like, eat them through a straw, but they sort of suited that. I didn't mind the flavour of them. I quite liked the cut of them as well. And, well, the seasoning, yeah, well, all up, they were pretty good. But this batch wasn't that good. So maybe they're worth trying. See if you can get yourself a nice, hot, fresh batch somehow and give them a try, because they do taste pretty good. And, well, I'm sure if you got some, you'd probably enjoy them. And on top of that, I don't know how they cook them, but I had the Pizza Hut chips once, and they were just horrible. But these ones are way better than the Pizza Hut ones, so that's something to take into consideration. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and, well, I did order another pizza, so I'm going to have some chips and a pizza today. Oh, that's apparently the meat lovers. Oh, in fact, I saw someone do this online. Put some chips on the pizza, roll it up, and dive on in. That actually tasted all right. But it doesn't matter what I think about them. Let's find out from the nose who knows. Rollo. Come on, Rollo. See what you think about them. Oh, a bit soggy, bit chewy, saltless, but still tasty. Well, you're taking your time on them. Normally you'd inhale those things by now, but well, it seems like you're quite enjoying them. Oh, Rollo's loving the Domino's chips. Mind you, he eats possum poo, so, well, there's not much he won't eat. But the good thing to know is that Rollo here will eat some Domino's chips. Won't you, Rollo? Hey? And just by the way, this empty box weighed about 70 grams, so it was about 230 grams worth of chips. Well, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat some Domino's. See you then. Ooh, yeah.